Now, how to change your age in Brawl Stars. Here, click on this straight line icon on top side here. Here, before changing your age, make sure you follow these bullet points which is on the screen. Now, to apply the bullet point, here, click on the setting here. Now, here on the setting, what you do now is just click on this help and support here. Now, here, what you do now is just click on this chat icon on top side here. Now, here, what you do now is just click on this leave a message here. Now, here, what you do now is click on this place, enter your message here. Now, click on it. Now, here, type the message. Make sure the message is like this. Here, you can see the message. Now, here, you can see I've already write the message for you guys. Now, here inside the message, you can see here in the body of the message here, in the this error has resulted in dash here. And here, choose any option here. Here, after choosing any option, now fill in the gaps. You can see the gaps. Just fill in the gaps with your information, and then now this is how the message will be. You can see it on the screen. This is how the message will be. You can see here, just watch it. See, now what you do now is just click on send here by clicking this icon on the side here. Now click on send here to send the message. As you can see, you see it here. You see the message. And you see, just write it like this. I will leave the message on the description section in order for you to edit it in your own type based on your own case in order to fix the age issue. So here you can see it. You can see what the AI reply. To solve this quickly, how would you categorize your issue? Now here you can see bunch of issues. You see here. Now here what you do is just click on this game player, young player restrictions or age restriction. Here now click on it. Now what you do now is just click on this end conversation here and click on it. Now what you do now is just click on no here. Now as soon as they fix the age will change automatically, or they will send you a notification in order to fix your age. Now there's another way to fix it. What you do is just go back here. Now go back to the video again here by clicking this cancel icon on top here. Now here what you do is just click on this straight line icon on the top side here. Now here click on these settings here. Now here click on this Supercell ID here. Now here click on this setting icon on the top side here. Now here what you do now is just click on this pair ID here. Click on this change icon. Now here what you do now is just click on continue. Now here change it. Now as soon as you change your player ID, they will ask you also to change your age. So change it, and also tell me how it works on the description section. If you find this video helpful, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And also if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.